So this is another question from IIT JEE PYQ from the chapter Newton Laws of Motion. The question is from the year Advanced 1982. Advanced 1982. Okay. The question is, in the arrangement shown in the figure, the ends P and Q are unstretchable string. Okay. Moves downward with a uniform speed. So these two ends are moving downward with a uniform speed u. Pulleys A and B are fixed. The mass M moves upward with a speed. So we have to tell with what speed this mass M is moving in upward direction. Let us suppose this is V dash. We have to calculate this. Okay. So here I will draw the constraint equation for this pulley mass system. Let me rub this. Let us suppose this is our mass M here, block of our mass M, and let us suppose this is the distance y, and this is our pulley here. Let us suppose this is attached like this, and this distance is, let us suppose, L, and this distance is x. Since this end is moving downward with let us suppose this is the point P, this end P is moving downward with a speed u, and this is the string attached to it, the length of the string is L, then this dl by dt will be equal to u, because the same length of this string is going downward at the same rate of the time. So this dl by dt will be equal to u. Now this right angle triangle, if I write the constraint equations, that x square plus y square is equal to L square. Okay, let us suppose this is the angle theta here. Now if I differentiate this equation on the both side with respect to time, then it will be this x is the constant term here, since this distance is the constant here, x, so differentiation of this with respect to time will be 0, plus differentiation of y square will be 2y dot dy by dt with respect to time, that will be equal to twice of L into dl by dt. Okay, so here this dy by dt is the velocity of this particle in upward direction. Velocity of this mass is moving with upward direction, that is what dy by dt only. Let us suppose we are denoted it with v. Now 2 will be cancelled out on the both sides. Y dot dy by dt, that will be equal to L dot dl by dt will be equal to u, as we already know. So here dy by dt I am replacing with v, that we have to find here. So v will be equal to u into L by y. Okay, so in this triangle L by y will be equal to L by y, that is equal to that, if I write in this triangle, cos theta is equal to cos theta, that is equal to base by hypotenuse, that is equal to y by L. So from here L by y will be equal to 1 by cos theta, 1 by cos theta. Okay, so here velocity of this block of mass M in the upward direction, that will be equal to u into L by y, that means u by cos theta. So this is the answer for our question, that is the option number, u by cos theta. Option number B is correct.